Hi, this is a very relaxed Caroline from WDBNK.
And today with me is a very good friend, Gilles from calm.lu. And we are going to do some waffles with rhubarb.
We are going to prepare the dough for the waffles now. So 800 milliliters of water.
No, just for relaxation.
This time everything will be done in the blender. So you have 800 milliliters of water, 1 cup of cashews, 400 grams of flour, a pinch of salt, some vanilla and agave nectar, some baking powder, and we blend. Whoops! We forgot something. Hey, Jill! There.
Aha!
Some coconut oil, very important. For the rhubarb, you need to peel off the skin. Like this. Do you like rhubarb?
Yes!
Oh, that's great. That's good. Would you like to cut it or peel it?
Yeah,
Cut it.
I prefer cutting.
Yes. Add some vanilla and agave nectar, a bit of water, and cook it.